Brought their cars to the grandstand for a 4-day rally. It started with a meet and greet session Wednesday night. They had a cruise to Rockingham Thursday, a car show at the convention center yesterday, and then today, up to 800 cars were on display at Colonial Mall.
Last day, main show, Mustang Week. They went back to their old roots, back to the mall parking lot. Yeah, that's definitely not a Mustang. Really digging this color scheme right here. This is sweet. This right here is the baddest Mustang out here at Mustang Week. I gotta let you guys know that it actually belongs to the lady right there. Sam riding around on the one wheel. So this is how he gets all these smooth shots that you guys been watching. He rides around on this one wheel with a camera phone and a gimbal.
That's how I get through all these cars like 100 times over.
So this is what I want. Got like an Eleanor Pro Street look. Dude, this thing, yeah, this is bad. You guys will probably never recognize this car. We actually did a video on this car a long time ago. This isn't even the same car. It's not how it got its name.
As you guys probably are aware, this is, I'm sure you'll plug something. This was the F-bomb car, and when we bought it, it was just a shell, so I kind of came up with the idea, it's the F-bomb shell, so that's kind of where bombshell comes from, and she kind of liked that idea, and we ran with it, and then she drew the logo you'll see on the deck lid, and that's kind of how I got the name. To the history of the car, it's never had a normal life at this point.
No. So this is different, Sam.
I like
we're trying to debate if we like this or, well, Sam likes it. I'm not, I don't know. I'm kind of undecided, but it's basically an S550 front bumper on an S197 Mustang. All right, what do you guys think? Do you like it? You don't like it? Let us know. This guy's lost. We always got to stop over here at VMP, visit these guys over here. Look at this.
It's concreted in.
Look at that. The original sticker price on this thing, $39.27.24. I'd actually give them double that for it. Wouldn't it be cool to just like time travel, go back in time, buy a couple of those, put them in a time capsule?
Which one was the barn find? That one. This one's the barn find.
So this is the barn find.
Under 100 they got.
Wow. That is awesome. The perfect tag for this car. Smell that, that's sweet.
You got good sound there.
Thank you. What's up, dude? So I've been walking around the meet and had my hat on, my sunglasses. I was like in disguise. As soon as I get in the car, like everybody's just like, JD.
That was the main show. It was hot. It was so hot. Definitely a lot better at the convention center because you can at least escape and go inside out of the heat. But there, I mean, well, you kind of can there at the mall. You can go inside the mall. Definitely fun. A few of the booths I typically like to go and visit is the CJ Pony Parts booth, VMP's booth, and well, this year I want to say the Saline booth was probably one of my favorites this year. You can never show everything. There's just so much to It's so sad that this is the last one. I had to get my t-shirt last trip to the beach. Sad that this is I guess the last Mustang week. I hope it's not. I was talking with a few guys that had a little bit of inside scoop, and so this may not be the last one. If it is not the last one, that it will be going back to September. So I heard that the September date would be the date that they would go back to. Head back to the RV, catch up with the family. I think tonight is SBB. It's the retro meet.
Right there is a Middletown